Are you looking for the best portable dryer? In this video, we will break down the top 6 portable dryers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
This portable dryer features 3200 RPM spin power and is mighty enough to dry either ordinary clothes, t-shirts, trousers, socks, dresses, etc., or blankets and bed linen. This portable dryer may be set on the floor, on a stand, hung on a wall, or placed directly on the washing machine. It has an attractive control panel, easy and pleasant to cope with. Tune this device following the concrete fabric features and get perfectly dried items in a short time. Additionally, this product's highlight is its humidity sensor. Thanks to this feature, this dryer detects the fabric humidity level and determines the right time for optimal items drying. So, your home textile and garments are safely detected from overdrying. This electric clothes dryer features a spacious 3.22 cubic feet capacity and dry up to 13.2 pounds of clothing, almost meets the drying needs of the whole family. It is equipped with a powerful 120V 60Hz motor unit and PTC heat element. The inner drum will rapidly form the warm airflow to provide stable drying performance and low noise. It features a large diameter stainless steel tumble. This portable laundry dryer adopts the forward and reverse tumble action, with an inner S-shaped device for easy rotation to prevent tangling, effectively removing wrinkles and restoring the fluffy and comfortable fabrics in the moderate temperature. Also, it is equipped with 4 layers intake and exhaust filter that is easy to clean, work efficiently, and automatically shut off to save energy. The 8.5 pounds, 9.5 by 11.2 by 21 inches, this portable ventless clothes drying machine is an effective option that can hold up to 22 pounds of clothing. It is very portable and easy to assemble and take down, but also note that the timer dial may get broken easily. It works on 110 to 120 volts outlets and has a 900 watts power consumption. Its heater produces gentle warm air waves to dry clothes, which minimizes wrinkling and makes ironing easier. Plus, its folding clothes rack can hold up to 18 hangers, 3 hangers per extension. The tube cover is made of heat-insulated material and opens and closes with a zipper. You also love its compact design, which fits in the corner of a room, as well as how nice and easy it is to set up. Moreover, the timer can be set at a maximum of 180 minutes. It is backed by a 1-year warranty. This clothes dryer is a good option if you are looking for a portable drying machine with a heater. This portable compact laundry dryer comes in 3 different sizes. The volume of its drum is 3.5 cubic feet, and drying a large number of clothes is just a breeze. You can dry almost 13 pounds of clothes in this portable compact dryer. The drum is made of stainless steel, so you need not worry about damaging clothes after drying. In fact, you will get fluffy and soft after drying. In addition, the lightweight and compact design make it portable, and you can carry it on your travels and RVs. It weighs only 48 pounds. These product dimensions are 23.5 by 22.5 by 27.5 inches. This ventless dryer never breaks the bank by consuming energy. It consumes only 1500 watts and 120V to dry your clothes at different levels of drying. Well, you can choose different options to dry your clothes according to the fabric of the clothes. Lastly, it will be injustice by not mentioning its wall mounting feature. If you have really tight space and can't adjust the dryer anywhere, you can mount it on the wall. This portable dryer cheap solution will delight you with the design simplicity, efficiency, space-saving construction. This portable dryer stand is a kind of vertical rack with hangers for clothes. The hanger is framed by a special cover made of dense material. This rack's hangers can accommodate up to 33 pounds of clothes that need to be dried. The clothes' humidity level and their quantity directly influence the drying duration. Therefore, for the optimal and rational operation of this portable clothes dryer rack, the maximum air temperature inside the device is 50 to 70 degrees. Furthermore, the basic advantage of this dryer is its anion sterilizing option. It helps to eliminate bacteria and viruses during drying procedures. The device's motor shutdowns when the inside air temperature reaches 158. This portable dryer's dimensions are 24 by 18 by 27 inches, while it weighs 66 pounds, that is slightly more than the standard weight of compact dryers. The standard weight of a small dryer for apartments may vary from 40 pounds to 50 pounds. Aside from weight and dimensions, the dryer is powerful enough to dry clothes fast. As it has relatively larger dimensions, so it has a larger drying capacity as well. It has 9 pounds drying capacity, that is more than awesome. Overall, it is made with all features of a standard clothes dryer. Outer metal hard shell, stainless steel inner drum, lint holder, air intake filter and more.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.